students of Standard 6th, welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. So today we will going to study about electric current and circuit. So this is the second video of this chapter. So in this video we will be studying about electric bulb. So electric bulb is a device which have been invented by Thomas Alva Edison. So electric bulb refers to an electric lamp wherein which consists of a translucent or a transparent glass material. So electric bulb is either made up of translucent or a transparent material. Translucent material are those materials which allows light to pass partially, whereas transparent materials light passes through it. So whenever light passes or whenever electric current flows through this electric bulb ignites. So as you can see, there are two electric bulbs over here. This electric bulb, it has been used in torches or small LED instruments, whereas this is a conventional electric bulb wherein different types of different parts are mentioned over here. Like the first one, this is known as glass bulb. The gas which are present inside this bulb are nearly argon. The filament through which the heating effect take place, that is tungsten filament. A supporting wire is there, that is molybdenum wire, which supports tungsten wire. Lead wire is there. This exact phenomena, how exactly electric bulb works, you will understand in higher classes with heating effect of electric current. So at this point of time, electric bulb is an instrument which provides light. Here in the electric bulb, a filament is there which is a tungsten. Through this filament, a heating effect of electric take place and the bulbs ignite. So the same thing, this is a bulb which is being used in torches. So this portion, this is the terminal point. So these two are terminals, and in the small filament, a thin wire is there in this bulb also. So two terminals are there. The main difference between torch bulb and this conventional electric bulb is that at the terminal point from this for this torch is residing near the side by region, whereas in this electric bulb the two terminals, that is positive and negative, is residing below the exact portion of where two portions are there. There two terminals, that is positive and negative, are located in this conventional bulb. Now different types of electric bulbs are there, like high pressure sodium bulbs where sodium vapors are being used, fluorescent bulb, quartz halogen, incandescent bulb, and LED bulbs. So these bulbs which have been invented as the time period went. So in present scenario, LED bulbs are more precisely or more good to use because it consumes less energy. So it is preferable to use LED bulbs rather than a sodium bulb because it consumes less amount of energy, and durable amount of this LED bulbs are more than the conventional electric bulbs. So some benefits of this electric bulb or rather LED are that it is cooler than incandescent bulb. It is an instant and it glows instantly. It's a broad range of color. Different colors are also possible with the help of this LED. It is a low cost device and no mercury is present. Previously in conventional bulbs, mercury were present, so that's why huge amount of energy was being consumed. So here the mercury content is very less and it is a less toxic material. So these were certain points which is related to LED. That's why LED is far better than the conventional bulbs. So I hope you have understood this concept. Thank you and have a nice day.